everyone. This is Juan GT. That's my GT. That's my girl's Mustang. I want to give a good, big, huge thanks to the 56 subscribers that I already got. And then I want to give a big, huge thanks to the 134 viewers that have seen my video in the last 2 days. I also want to give the 225 viewers that have seen my first video. I want to thank you guys. I want to show you guys so much appreciation for helping me with this journey and showing me that everything is possible for me and a small town boy that wants to get his life going on YouTube. I want to thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys love this video and this content that I'm about to throw on YouTube. It's like we just pulled up to the Cars and Chill. It's like everybody's still gathering around. There's my Mustang right there. It's like we just got a Lambo over here, a few trucks over here. Everything is about to start getting rolling. Tell me what you're throwing on there.
Oh, it's AZ Desert Showdown, bro. It's an event. I want you to be there and burn this fucker up.
I'll be there.
Burnout pit free all day.
I'll be there.
Check that.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So go ahead, go ahead.
I'll be right over there.
Shout it out one last time.
AZ Desert Showdown, bro. I want y'all to be there. It's a sick ass event. Free burnout pit for the people who want to burn out.
There you go, there you go. We had the second spot. They're already popping. I had the second spot. Got Mustang GT. Got Trash Speed over here. 2018 RT. Got some nice. We're over here already at the second spot over here. Got the lineup going. Got the homie Alejandro already recording right there. He's another one cashing out to the YouTube game. You already know that we're gonna start this movement.
great on YouTube, man.
There you
Especially
go.
if you like wearing seatbelts. And I'm just
Yeah. There you go. Catch him at Dutch Bros over here at Glendale.
yeah, dude. That's the windmill, boy.
There you go. Catch him over here.
Yeah.
I just wanted to let you guys know that this is gonna be a wrap for today. Like, please keep them horses running, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys can know when I'm gonna put up the new one.